So the second question, read it very carefully. The volume of a cube is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. How fast is the surface area increasing when the length of the edge is 12 centimeter? Volume of a cube. The shape is mentioned clearly as cube. And what is that? Volume is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. So if you are not able to identify what is given from the first sentence, what you have to notice is, notice the unit. The unit given is centimeter cube per second, isn't it? Centimeter cube is the unit of volume and second is the unit of time. So what is given? Centimeter cube per second. The unit itself stands for the unit of rate of some quantity. Okay. So which quantity? Centimeter cube represents the volume. Second represents the time. So it is rate of change of volume with respect to time. Okay. Rate of change of volume with respect to time is given as 8 centimeter cube per second. What we have to find? How fast is the surface area increasing? How fast is the surface area increasing means according to the time the surface area increases because the rate is given. So what we have to find is the value of ds by dt. Okay. And it is given that length of the edges. We have to find the rate of increase in surface area when the length of the edge is 12 centimeters. So what we will do here is, we will take a variable x as the length of the cube. Okay, length of the cube in the sense it's the edge of the cube. So what we will do is we will find the formula for volume of a cube. What is the formula for finding the volume of a cube? It is side cube, a cube, isn't it? If a is the side. Here we took the side as x, so volume will be x cube. Okay. If I want to substitute the value 8, the given value is dv by dt. So with respect to t, I have to differentiate v. So I am going to differentiate this equation with respect to t. So left side is dv by dt. That means the rate of change of volume with respect to time is equal to, actually the right side is d by dt of x cube, isn't it? d by dt of x cube. This term doesn't contains x. Okay, so what we have to do here is, we have to rewrite it as d by dx of x cube into dx by dt. How we rewrote? Actually, we are differentiating with respect to time. Why? Because rate of change of volume with respect to time is given as 8 centimeter cube per second. To apply this value in the equation, we are differentiating with respect to t. When we differentiate v with respect to t, we are getting dv by dt. And when we differentiate x cube with respect to t, we are getting d by dt of x cube. d by dt of x cube cannot be done because we have to differentiate with respect to t, and here the variable is x cube. So we have to rewrite. How we will rewrite? We will rewrite as d by dx of x cube into dx by dt. Okay. To remember it is easily, what we have to do is just consider in your mind. Actually the step is wrong, but still for an easy method, just consider that we are striking off these two quantities. So we are getting d by dt. The step is wrong, but still to remember that I told it. Okay. So we are splitting d by dt of x cube as d by dx of x cube into dx by dt. And what's the derivative of x cube with respect to x? It is 3x square into dx by dt. Okay. And we are getting the equation dv by dt is equal to 3x square into dx by dt. What is dv by dt? It is given as 8. So we can substitute the value 8 is equal to 3x square into dx by dt. Okay, let this be equation number 1. Again, what we have to find? We have to find the rate of change of surface area, and it is surface area of a cube. If I am representing S as the surface area of a cube, what is the formula to find surface area of a cube? 6 into side square, isn't it? So here it is 6 into x square. Here also we are going to differentiate. We have to find ds by dt. So with respect to t, we have to differentiate the equation. Differentiating with respect to t, what we will get on the left side? ds by dt is equal to 6 into d by dt of x square. Same thing happens here, isn't it? So how we have to rewrite 6 into 6 is a constant, nothing to do with the derivative. So we have to rewrite as d by dx of x square into dx by dt. Okay, d by dx of x square into dx by dt, that is equal to 6 into derivative of x square is 2x into dx by dt. Okay, and what is dx by dt we got in the from equation number 1. If I want to find dx by dt, it is very easy. From here what I am getting as dx by dt, dx by dt will be 8 divided by 3x square. So substitute the value of dx by dt here as 8 divided by 3x square. So what we get is 6 into 2 into 8 by 2x into x is there. I am writing at the last 3x square. So what happens? 1x get cancelled. 3 and 6 get cancelled, giving you 2. So 8 into 2 is 16. 16 into 2 gives you 32. 32 divided by x. What is the value? ds by dt. Okay, again go back to the question. What's the question? We have to find how fast is the surface area increasing when the length of the edge is 12 centimeter. We took the length of the edge of the cube as 12 x. Okay, and we got ds by dt as 32 by x. So the question is to find the rate of change of surface area, rate of change of s when x is equal to, edge we took as x is equal to 12 centimeters. So what we will do is, in the value ds by dt, wherever x is there, we will put the value 12. So what we get is 32 by 12. Okay, while cancelling, 8 times 4 gives you 32 and 3 times 4 gives you 12. So we are getting the value 8 by 3. To write the units, what you have to do? Write the unit of surface area by write the unit of time. Unit of surface area is centimeter square because the edge is given in centimeter, by the unit of time is second. So the answer is required rate of change of, or how fast is the surface area increasing. The answer is 8 by 3 centimeter square per second. Again, in the question there is a word increasing. How we can identify this is increasing or not? The value which we got is positive, isn't it? That shows that the rate is increasing. Suppose we are getting a negative value, then we will come to the conclusion that rate is decreasing. So here as it is positive, the conclusion is rate of, or how fast is the surface area increasing. The answer is it is increasing 8 by 3 centimeter square per second times. Okay.